Hi, I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pinch twist in a balloon. Just before I'll show you how to make a pinch twist, I would like to show you how does it look. Here is one pinch twist and here is another. In this case, I've made the ears of the teddy bear out of two pinch twists. By the way, a pinch twist is also called an ear twist. Let's see another example. The lips of the fish are made out of two pinch twists in a row, one after the other. By the way, if you would like to know how to make the teddy bear and the fish, I have a video that shows how to make the teddy bear and a video that shows how to make the fish. So let's see how can we make a pinch twist easily. A pinch twist is based on a round bubble. Before and after this round bubble, we have to twist the balloon at least 4 times. So this is the first twist. And this is the second. This is the round bubble that we're going to turn into a pinch twist. Now let's hold the balloon this way. You have to hold this part and this part together and then hold the round bubble, pull it toward here and then twist it 2 times. And there you have a pinch twist. Now let's see how can we make a pinch twist in the beginning of the balloon. Here is the round bubble that we want to turn into a pinch twist. But this bubble doesn't have anything here. So how can we turn it into a pinch twist? We're gonna take the knot of the balloon and not the nozzle, okay? Let's take the knot of the balloon as if it was another bubble here. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to hold the knot of the balloon with my 2 fingers and the rest of the balloon with these 2 fingers. And now I'm going to take this bubble and twist it. And there you have a pinch twist in the beginning of the balloon. And now, let's see 2 common mistakes that I see all the time in my classes. The first mistake is that instead of twisting the balloon at least 4 times before and after the round bubble, some people make 1 or 2 twists only. And then, when they turn the round bubble into a pinch twist, it will come undone. The second mistake is to make the bubble that will turn into a pinch twist not round. And then, when you turn it into a pinch twist, you can see that it came out too big. Therefore, it can come undone or even pop more easily. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please visit BalloonArtOnline.com. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.